I always knew that I wanted to enter the design industry.
Inchbald has definitely opened my mind up.
They really focus on design.
It's something that I've always wanted to do.
I mean, you could bolt that on, and then certainly there could be some kind of support underneath as well. So, I mean, this is going to be seating for your outside space, and,
Yes.
and while we're talking about that, we might, I mean, I was thinking about what you said about when the course is over and where you want to go. I mean, is it commercial space that you're interested in most?
What I'm probably most inspired by is working for a firm that allows both.
Okay.
So that I can work residentially as well as commercially, and it would help with my branding background.
You think you're going back to San Francisco, you're going back to the sort of... Okay,
Most likely,
okay,
yes.
so John Wheatman would be a great place to start, and we could certainly find you connections.
That would be fantastic.
But who else? Any?
There's a firm, Odata, that Orlando Diaz Asque has teamed up with a partner to work both on the residential and commercial side, and their work fits my aesthetic and taste, and so I think that I would be a good match for working there.
Good. Okay. In terms of the exhibition, the final exhibition, obviously your restaurant, your space is going to be the main sort of focus of your exhibition. What do you want to put in there with it? Because it's your choice what goes on the wall in terms of...
One of the important elements of my project is the fact that it's going to be drawing in the community, and the fact of the reception, both the cafe is one entry point as well as the reception area. Tying into that is the fact that the pools that I'm cantilevering over the space, kind of the piece before the reception, they sort of call people in.
Visual draw.
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
Okay.
they are.
Okay. And so in terms of the people you've met, I think it would be great to get you linked up with Susan Trocmé and approach this sort of New
that would
York,
be
San Francisco
fantastic.
thing, which I know you've already made contact with her. Downey Akeley's coming in, so that would be interesting for you to listen to her in terms of professional practice and moving forward that way. Again, that's a residential practice, but there is a commercial edge to that. And Juliet Byrne is coming in as well, again. Very London-based in terms of high-end residential, but very experienced. So it might be worth you having a word with her as well. Simon Flint is most probably going to judge too, from DeSales Flint. So that's a very high-end commercial restaurant, hotel-based practice. So you should get a few words with him, I think, before you disappear back to the States.
That sounds wonderful. I'd like to do that.